Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download all your data in the BestJobs application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it, and in this page you should just press on the account settings, and once that is done you can just look at the account management section and select the first one there, which is download all your data. And you can see here that you have the option to download all your data as a PDF. You can just press on it and you can see that the download will begin shortly down below, and soon you're going to have all your data be downloaded as a PDF document basically. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.